The province of Kalinga is a part of the Luzon Island group in the Cordillera Administrative Region. The provincial center or the provincial capital is Tagalog City. There is one city, and that's Tagalog City. There are 7 municipalities and 153 barangays. The province of Kalinga in the Philippines is situated or a part of the Cordillera Administrative Region occupying the northern central section of Luzon. The province of Kalinga is bordered clockwise from the north by Apayao, Cagayan, Isabela, Mountain Province, and Abra. The following are the 7 municipalities comprising the province of Kalinga. First is we have the municipality of Balbalan, which is composed of 14 barangays. The municipality of Lubuagan, which is composed of 9 barangays. The municipality of Pasil, which is composed of 14 barangays. The municipality of Pinokpok with 23 barangays. The municipality of Rizal comprising 14 barangays. The city of Tabuk, which serves as the provincial center or the provincial capital, has 43 barangays. The municipality of Tanudan, which has 16 barangays, and the municipality of Tinglayan, which is composed of 20 barangays. Once again, the province of Kalinga is a part of the Luzon Island group in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR, which has 1 city, 7 municipalities, 153 barangays, and the provincial center or the provincial capital is Tagalog City. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.